Here you can see I am in my Google Tag Manager account, and this is my Google Tag Manager uh, web container and server container. So if we click on settings, then here you can see we have two options for user management, one for account user management and another for container user management. So let's say you want to add someone on your GTM account so that they can get access of your all container. Okay, so if I click on user management, okay, so after clicking the user management, you will get an option like this plus icon. Just click on add access permission to new user and click add user, and you need the email address, the email address of the person whom you want to add on this GTM account. So I am pasting my email address here to show you how this work. Okay, I have pasted this email address here, then just click enter. Then you have to select which kind of permission you want to provide them. So let's say I want to provide them administrator permission, so select this, and if you just select this administrator and user and click invite, they will get the um, full access of your GTM account. And from here you can also select which container permission you want to give them. Like if you select administrator, and if you don't select anything from here, the person that who will get the access of your GTM account, he or she have to do some work on this GTM account to gain access again. I will show you this later. Let me show you. So let's say I want to give the web container access, so just click on web. Then from here you can select publish, approve, edit and read anything that you want to add. So here you can see can publish container version, publish permission, approve can create container versions. So just you have to select which one you want to give them. So I am giving the web container full permission, then click done. And now if I don't select this, like here you can see rhythm server and this one only read permission. Okay, and still if I send this to the person and if he accept my request, he can enable everything for this server side as well, because we already added them as an administrator here. Okay, so let's show you how does it work. Okay, so now I am inviting this person. Just click invite. Okay, here you can see invitation pending. Now I have to log into my email address where I will get the email, or also we can just go to our GTM account. Okay, if the person log into his GTM account, you will get an option like this invitation, and if he click here, you can see the accept button. Here you can see the GTM account, and if I click on accept button, I will get access to this GTM account very easy. And if I close this, let me show you. If I close this and scroll down, here you can see I have the web container and the server container permission. And if I go to the web container, and from another tab if I go to server container, okay, here you can see the web container of the GTM account. And if I check this properly, here you can see the submit and preview option for the web container. But if I go to the server container, here you can see we don't have the publish and the submit option. We don't have preview and submit option on the server container. Okay, so if you want to enable this option here on the server container as a freelancer, or like you are working for your friend or your team member, so they provide you the administrator permission already, but you don't have access to this. Here you can see. So you have to enable this from the admin. We already added the permission for web container, but I didn't added the public publish permission for the server container. That's why you have to enable this from here. Just go to user management of the server container, and here you can see the permission that I have, only read option. So I have to click on three dot and view users account details. Then I have to select publish option, then click save. Then if I go back on my GTM server container, and still we can see this one, so you have to refresh this. Okay, so here you can see after refreshing we have the submit and preview option, and also we have the submit and preview option for web container already. And this is the method how you can enable this preview and submit option for your web and server container. Just you have to make sure that your client provided you the administrator access already, and if the client provide you the user access, then the client will have to added you as a publisher. So you can't enable this by yourself if your client added you as a uh, users. Okay, so I think you understand about this, and if you have any comments you can tell me on comment section. I will try to understand your question as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.